Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep and still felt exhausted? You check the clock, 7, maybe even 8 hours. You stretch, groan, and think, why do I feel like I just wrestled a bear? You grab your coffee, promise yourself this will be the day you finally feel energized. But by noon, you're yawning again. Your brain feels foggy, your motivation fades, and somehow you're just tired of being tired. You're not alone. In fact, fatigue has quietly become one of the most common symptoms of modern life. We live in an age of artificial lights, endless notifications, and constant pressure, yet ironically, we've never been more exhausted. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Tiredness isn't always about sleep. It's about energy management. It's about how you live, not just how long you rest. Today, we're diving deep into why you're always tired, and more importantly, how to fix it for good. And no, I'm not going to tell you to just get more sleep. This isn't about taking naps or buying expensive supplements. We're going to talk about what's really happening, physically, mentally, and emotionally, and what you can do today to change it. So grab your coffee or tea, settle in, and let's figure out how to wake up your life, one choice at a time.
Let's start with the basics. Most people assume fatigue comes from not sleeping enough. Sure, that's part of it, but what if I told you there are 5 major types of tiredness and only one has to do with sleep? Let's break it down. Physical tiredness, the kind you feel after working out or standing all day. Mental tiredness, when your brain feels like it's on low battery after hours of decision-making or screen time. Emotional tiredness, when stress, anxiety, or conflict drain you. Social tiredness, from fake smiles, small talk, or people who drain your energy. Spiritual tiredness, that quiet exhaustion when life feels like it's lost meaning or direction. When all of these overlap, that's when you start feeling chronically exhausted. Now, think about your daily routine. You wake up and immediately check your phone. Dozens of notifications, emails, maybe a headline that spikes your anxiety. That's not waking up. That's overloading your brain before it's even fully booted. You rush to work or school, skip breakfast, grab caffeine, and convince yourself this is normal adulting. You spend your day on autopilot, multitasking, doom scrolling, sitting too long, thinking too fast. By evening, your body's tired from inactivity, your mind's tired from overstimulation, and your emotions completely drained. The secret is, you're not lazy, you're depleted. You've been burning energy without ever refueling properly. Here's something most people never learn. Energy is like money. You have a daily budget. Some people spend it wisely, on exercise, good food, positive conversations. Others waste it on worry, negativity, and scrolling. If you wake up tired every day, it's probably not your body failing you. It's your habits silently draining your energy bank. Think of it like running multiple apps on your phone. Even when you're not using them, they're running in the background. Worrying about the future? That's one app. People-pleasing? That's another. Not setting boundaries? That's 3 more. Before you know it, your internal battery is flashing red and you're wondering why you're exhausted at 10 a.m. So, how do we close those apps?
All right, let's talk solutions. Because here's the good news. Energy can be rebuilt. You can train your body and mind to stop draining and start recharging. Step 1, redefine rest. Most people think rest equals sleep, but true rest happens in many forms. Mental rest means stepping away from screens, noise, and constant input. Emotional rest means giving yourself permission not to please everyone. Social rest means spending time with people who refill your energy, not drain it. Try this. Every 2 hours, take a 5-minute mind break. No phone, no music, no talking. Just breathe, stretch, and look at something natural, like the sky or a tree. Sounds simple, right? but it's like pressing reset on your nervous system. Step 2, watch your energy thieves. Caffeine can be your best friend or your worst enemy. It doesn't give you energy, it just borrows it from tomorrow. So if you're using it like a crutch, you're actually fueling your future fatigue. Try switching your second coffee for water or a quick walk. Movement creates natural energy. Step 3, move more, even if you're tired. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but movement signals your brain to wake up. You don't need an intense workout, just 5 minutes of stretching, jumping jacks, or a brisk walk. It's like telling your body, hey, I'm alive, let's act like it. Number 4, protect your mental bandwidth. The average person makes over 35,000 decisions a day, most of them small but draining. Want to save energy? Simplify your choices. Eat the same healthy breakfast every morning. Lay out your clothes the night before. Automate the small stuff so you have energy for what truly matters. And here's a powerful truth. Saying no is a form of self-care. If every yes you say makes you more tired, maybe it's time to start saying no with confidence. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to, and you definitely don't have to answer every text immediately. Your peace is not up for negotiation.
Now, let's get real for a moment. Being tired all the time isn't just about your schedule. It's about your mindset. If you constantly tell yourself, I'm exhausted, your brain starts to believe it. Energy follows focus. Try replacing I'm tired with I need to recharge. It might sound small, but your words shape your state of mind. Here's the truth from neuroscience. Your brain can't tell the difference between reality and imagination. When you visualize yourself energized, laughing, and productive, your brain releases chemicals that make that state more real. That's why athletes visualize success before a game. You can do the same every morning. And humor? It's medicine. Seriously. Laughter boosts oxygen flow, lowers stress hormones, and instantly lifts your energy. So next time you feel sluggish, don't scroll. Watch a funny clip. Text a friend who makes you laugh, or just be silly for 5 minutes. Your energy will thank you. Here's the big picture. You're not tired because you're broken. You're tired because you've been too strong for too long. You've been pushing, hustling, caring, working, and giving, often without recharging. And the fix isn't to do more, it's to restore balance, to breathe, to rest before you collapse, to create small rituals of renewal, morning sunlight, a walk after lunch, a gratitude list before bed. If you do even one of these daily, your body will start to remember what energy feels like. And slowly, you'll wake up not just less tired, but more alive. So tonight, when you're about to collapse on the couch, remember this. Your body isn't your enemy. It's your ally. It's trying to tell you something. Maybe it's time to rest, not because you're weak, but because you're human. And tomorrow, when your alarm goes off, take a deep breath and remind yourself, I don't need more time. I need more energy, and I can create it. If this message spoke to you, if you learned something new, or even just felt a bit seen, make sure to follow for more daily motivation, simple science, and real-life mindset tools to help you grow. This is your reminder. Energy isn't found. It's built, one conscious choice at a time. You're not always tired. You're just one recharge away from becoming unstoppable.